Kia ora, good morning. It is Monday, and as you are probably aware, the whole world is aware, there is a new president-elect of the United States. A POTUS. Yeah. Market reaction to that, well, it was confirmed after the close of play for the week, so we don't really know yet. But we can take a look at some of the maybe less traditional asset classes for an indication of what might pan out on the reaction front. I didn't finish my intro. No, I am Micro Markets, and I'm a little bit off my game, apparently, this morning. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Yeah. Okay, so, yeah, aside from the almost all-consuming US election pre-close, so before Saturday morning, the market had US employment data, and it was better than expected. Yeah, the headline unemployment rate and job creation, they both exceeded consensus forecasts. The market didn't really seem to care, though. Didn't really react, because it was probably too busy holding its collective breath. US equities pretty much flat at the Friday close, Saturday morning close for us. Currencies, a bit more movement there, but it didn't ultimately amount to much. Yeah, the New Zealand dollar fleetingly scratched above the 68 cent mark, and then eased back to the upper middle 67s, repeated that broad movement two more times over Friday night, Saturday morning, an unsuccessful push towards 68, and then a slip back. Yeah, and the bird closed in the upper middle 67 region, 67.74. Yeah, that was the midpoint for the week. Basically, where it was trading when we went home on Friday evening. Yeah, and 68.02, the ultimate high for the Kiwi. Just. Yeah, Kiwi crosses, yeah, kind of similar story, just with less chop. Most finished pretty much near where we closed on Friday afternoon. So subdued into the week, followed by some broadly expected, I guess, and arguably priced in news after the close. What can we expect today then? Well, there is one financial asset that doesn't take weekends off. Bitcoin. Yeah, I know it's not super traditional, necessarily credible, still too new really to have a decent track record, but markets take cues where they can, and yeah, in recent months, Bitcoin has behaved a bit like gold on steroids, but gold, which is a safe haven, and Bitcoin rallied throughout Saturday and Sunday, so by that logic, maybe risk assets are lower today, sort of an immediate sigh of relief trade. We have results. Let's just enjoy that for a moment before we try and figure out what that means. Yeah, maybe not. When we were pondering potential election outcomes for the Kiwi a week or so ago, the only clear and obvious one was volatility. And we certainly saw that. And there is perhaps more to come for the Kiwi. Yeah. But then there's always more volatility to come for the Kiwi. It's kind of what it's known for, it's its thing. Anyway, potentially exciting day ahead. Yeah. All right, that is probably enough waffling. If you're after more detail, yeah, get in touch with your friendly Kiwibank financial markets dealer, or maybe just even check your inbox. First view from Kiwi Economics, that will probably add a little more flavour when it comes out later this morning. And probably also mention the RBNZ's MPS on Wednesday, monetary policy statement. Volatility ahoy, New Zealand dollar. Yeah, okay, ka kite anō.